Hello, this is Alex from Ripoly.com, and I would like to show you the simplest way of deploying apps to Cloudflare pages. We discussed D1 application with Sveltekit and local development, which uses Wrangler to locally serve you data for development purposes. And now what you can do is simply use this same Wrangler command to push your production build to Cloudflare pages. It takes a few steps, but it's fairly easy. So first what we'll do is let's clear our database and make sure our software is working locally. So if we go into Wrangler TOML, we have this command here, which I can just copy down there and make a new tables and local SQLi database. Go into development and see that it works. It will take a few seconds, and now go to localhost, refresh this stuff, and it works as it should locally. Perfect. Cool. Now let's return to this Wrangler TOML. We can break the development, and we have to correct this Wrangler TOML, update some fields. I should probably show you my D1 SQL tab on Cloudflare dashboard. So let's just make a new database. We'll call it YouTube demo D1. Okay, let's say create, and I will need this database ID. Database was obviously created and there are no tables in it, of course not. So let me update my database ID here. It can stay D1 DB, it doesn't matter. And I can now, through Wrangler remote, create new schema migration. This will take some time, yes. As I'm not logged in currently, Cloudflare Wrangler will try to log me in through browser. I will allow it, of course. I can now show stop this one. It's updating, it's updating, it's updating, and it should be done. So now my storage here, if I refresh this one, I've got tables, countries created, no rows, 5 columns, as it should be from our drizzle. Perfect. We still have some other variables here to update. So my compatibility should probably be something like 11.11. That's when something happened on Cloudflare and they allow some stuff. And I need two other variables, like I need pages build output dir, which for us is svelte -kit / Cloudflare. That's where our build actually happens. And of course I need the name of my application, which should be YouTube demo D1 app, let's say, something like that. Sure. And what I can do now is just use Wrangler pages and deploy. It will take a minute. Create a new project, yes. My branch is deploy. Okay, sure. It will complain that it's dirty. I haven't saved it to GitHub, but it doesn't matter. So, okay. What? I have no Sveltekit. Of course I don't have. .Sveltekit is the correct one. I need to report that one and just do another deploy. My bad, sorry. And it goes out to Cloudflare pages and uploads it there. The DNS at Cloudflare lately is taking a few minutes, so we might have to wait. I'll just stop if this doesn't work at first. So a deployment was complete. Take a peek over at this address, okay? And this address, let's just quickly go into my compute workers and pages, and this app actually is present here. A few seconds ago it was deployed. Yeah, it might not work. Yeah, that's the DNS problem. I've got one here before running. So I should probably just, you can try a few times, but lately it really doesn't happen quickly. So it takes 3, 4, 5 minutes, and I'll come back once it works for me. Yay, and we are back. As you can see, this was deployed 5 minutes ago and it's alive. Let's try to add a new country. Sure, it comes up, and we should see all this stuff within our database. So go into D1 SQL database, into YouTube demo, and then on tables, and I can click on countries, and all my rows should be here as they are. So that's the simplest process of deploying with Wrangler Pages Deploy. Just make sure your database ID is correct, your pages built output should be okay, you put in a name, and that's it. Thanks for watching.